Well, today is Friday, so we are going to go and do some thrifting. It's going to be fun. So this is future me coming at you with a special announcement. So this is my birthday month. I'm doing something I have never done before on YouTube, and that is I'm gonna do a big giveaway. So stay tuned till the end of the video for all of the details. Good morning, everyone. I am heading to Seattle today. So I got a hold of my friend Bernie, and I think we're gonna go hit probably some thrift stores, because again, it is still not garage sale season. So it's just gonna be a fun day. We have such wonderful old homes and trees. Gosh, yes. And well kept. So there was an ad for a Picker estate sale, so we're gonna head there and see what we can find. It's about 10 miles away from where my friend Bernie lives. That's Bernie. Anyways, it's supposed to be 3 floors full of stuff. It started at 9. We could see people hauling stuff out, so maybe they left us some good stuff. I'm hoping to find some cool clothes up here. $2.20, man, that stuff adds up, huh? That was such a good sale. I hauled out so much stuff, and I think they were really reasonably priced. And I'm in Seattle, and so I'm thinking I may do like a car haul and just take the stuff straight to my booth, or I don't know. I have to stop at my booth anyways. And then I don't know if we're going to do any more sales or thrift stores. I mean, I spent $220. Or if I'm just going to go off keto and have some pasta, because I'm really craving like Italian.
Oh no, I got this. I didn't get, I have to be very careful. I don't have
Oh
any
yeah,
money.
it's red on the inside. This is a very old piece from India, and it's made to hold betel nut, and then they would have different spices. Yes.
And the spices were red.
The betel nut, I think, is red.
With a mirror.
Yeah, this is the old town of Ballard. It is really sweet. There's lots of vintage stores and little cafes. So I'm in front of Lander Street Vintage where my booth is, and I promised to do a quick car haul. So I got to show you this. It is this absolutely stunning velvet green and gold, kind of a fleur-de-lis. No, just a floral. And it is in wonderful condition. It's got this kind of lady with a big white hair and this straw hat with these bows. Paid up for this, so I paid $25. I have one of these. I have a few listed online in my Etsy shop, one for that's Christmas related and a regular one, but this is really stunning. So I don't know, I'm gonna put $75 on this. I don't know what these go for, but I paid $25. And sweet this is. This is a book on etiquette. It's got this beautiful blue binding and then all this gold detail with these gold roses. Absolutely stunning. And I think like all the books were $3 a piece. So really sweet. I found this under one of the tables. It's this really great copper vessel. What I would do with this is I would pot up a bunch of herbs and put it in this long tray, and it is definitely vintage. It's got these cool like round little knobs, hardware. Anyways, I want to say I paid $8 for this, and I will put like 58 on this one. Now this is so unusual, it's kind of weird, but it is this food dog. It's actually on a wooden stand. It's got a really old tag on it, and it is a novelty candle. So it is so different. I've never seen a candle shaped like a food dog. It is really cool. I'm gonna put $23 on it, and I think I bought this one for like $5. So I'm always on the lookout for art, and I found this great still life. Look how pretty that is. This was only $15. It's not extremely old. It was actually framed in 1995 by Museum Quality Discount Framing Company. I also really love this one. It's just like this naive landscape painting of a river set against the mountains and the trees in this really old frame. It is an old one. And again, it's really pretty, and I am going to save this for another day when I come and it's not like a Friday. So if you're new here, my name is Abigail and I have a vintage and antique store in Poulsbo, Washington. I sell on almost all the major platforms, but my favorites are Etsy and eBay, and I do have a coupon code. It is LOVEITBUYIT, and it saves you 15% on all your purchase, the whole entire thing. And if you're not following me on Instagram, you should, because I post content like every single day. A lot of that stuff never even makes it to the videos. So I'm back home after a fun day in Seattle with my friend Bernie, and let's go ahead and finish this haul. So I got these absolutely wonderful, like mid-century modern, I don't know, probably from the 70s, but they're these curtain panels and this kind of like and it's kind of washing out on the screen here, but they're this beautiful yellow with these shots of brown in it. Very, very nice. These are pinch pleats, and there's a set of 2 of them. I paid $10 for both of these, and these are gonna go online, but I think they're really great. I think they'll do well. So these are very dingy, but I found these mid-century modern brass candlesticks. They're Swedish, and I am going to clean these up. I have had these listed before. I sold them, I think, on Etsy, and it's funny because when I did my hallway makeover, I was using them and I really liked them a lot. Then they sold, and then I found a second set, and so I have those in my hallway. So these will be going online, and these are pretty valuable. I can't remember what I had priced them at. I mean, it could have been like 145. I feel like it was like $145 for the set of these mid-century modern Swedish candlestick holders. So this is not a studio pottery piece. Well, maybe it is, but it's actually from Italy. I found this wonderful Italian stoneware or ceramic container with this wonderful design. Almost reminds me of like a German piece, but it's not. It's actually signed Italy on the bottom. So typically I don't buy like loose art, but I absolutely had to pick this up. Look at this. It's this deer in the forest, and it's funny because it looks mostly black and white, but then you see that it was probably hand tinted right in this area, and it is signed. What does it say? Oh, wow. Fran something or other, 1903. So it is a beautiful piece of art, and the reason I don't typically pick art up like this that's loose is because I don't have time to or room to be like storing frames, even though I really want to do that this year. And to find a frame that would fit this, gosh, I'm gonna have to get really lucky, but I just couldn't leave it behind. And it was only $5. So I picked up my first Christmas item, and that's this little bottle brush wreath with this little bell. It is so delicate. They had other Christmas items, but they didn't look very old, but this one is definitely old. It is so cute. So this is gonna go into my Christmas stash. So I had to pick this up. It's kind of kitschy. It's definitely retro, but it's this 1979 calendar in this orange color, and this would have gone in your kitchen. It is like brand new. So it's just really cool looking, and this one will be going online, and honestly, I have absolutely no idea what I paid for this. I paid $15 for this one. Now this is a really common print, and honestly it looks like this was not the original print that was in here. And even though I really love this print, this particular one, I want to say I probably had one of these in the past. My idea of like switching you know, using old frames for like more like landscape prints is still at the top of my mind, but I just hate to toss her because look how pretty she is. And this one was only $15, or I shouldn't say only $15. I mean, $15, you know, $15 is not super cheap, but I thought it was worth it because the frame is so gorgeous. And I have to put a hanger on the back, but that's really easy to do. Now this one was much more affordable at $5. The frame is not nearly as old, but it definitely has some age, but it's just this beautiful landscape, beautiful colors, very spring-like. And here's the back of the frame. So the frame is not that new. And again, I only paid $5 for this. So this one's gonna stay as is. So here is a blast from the past. Look at this. That is so groovy. I love all like the flower power design on it. And this was a Golden Beauty, and it's 3 soaps. They're still in there. I didn't even open them up. Look at that. Oh my gosh, the soaps are still in there. And I picked it up mainly because of the packaging. I love this packaging. And I can't believe people put like stickers. At least this sticker is going to come right off. I paid $2 for this, and I will probably put these online. I don't know. Maybe they'll go to the store. I got 1, I got 2. I just think they're a lot of fun. Oh, I also got these sweet little prints. They are so cute. These are Italian. Oh, I'm gonna take that sticker off so you can see. I'm not quite sure where this is. Maybe that's the Roman Colosseum, but look at that. This is all wood. So it is like Florentine. What does it say on it? It just says made in Italy, but it has that kind of Florentine feel. And these are not plastic. That's what I usually find is plastic ones that are in this style. These are wood ones. And so somebody could leave the, is this identical? These almost look, no, they're a little bit different. So somebody could leave the prints in them. They could take them out and put their own prints. But anyways, I really love these. They were $2 a piece, and these are gonna go online. So to celebrate my birthday, the big giveaway is going to be a big gift box for one of my viewers. And if you watched any of my videos, you know that I have huge hauls and I'm always looking for all types of genres. And so just let me know like what it is that you would love to see in your box. Are you into like kitschy retro? Are you into mid-century modern? Are you into more of an eclectic boho look? Are you into Americana? Whatever it is, just let me know what your personality is, what you love, what you would love for me to find for you. And I'm going to choose somebody randomly, and then I'm going to go shopping for you. And either at the end of May or the early part of June, I will go over everything I have found and I will send it off to one of you lucky winners.